Reverend Jackson. We're also going to talk to the Reverend about how he's making his marriage work after very publicly admitting having an affair on his life and producing a child from said affair. Gotta ask the tough questions here at Wendy. Plus, I always wanted to know, how is he feeling these days about President Obama? We'll talk to him about that. And they're calling our guest after that, Denzel Washington. He's hot, he's young, he's a movie star, and his name is Nate Parker. Meet Nate Parker.
Tommy, get away!
Nate is one of the stars in the new movie Red Tail, which hits theaters today. I look forward to meeting him. And Sarah Jessica Parker may be replaced on Sex and the City. I'll explain. Let's talk about it. It's time for Hot Topics.